Hello everyone on YouTube. Hello my subscribers. Hello my fans all over the world. If this happens to be your first time of watching my videos here on YouTube, I would appreciate and recommend that you click on my subscribe button so you would always be notified about when I drop a new video. Talking to you today, as you all know, is Dr. Osenobula. My name is Dr. Osenobula, reaching out to you from the depth of Africa, motherland. With me here today is the herpes curing antidote for your blisters. Yes, for those with the genital herpes, you would understand what I am talking about. This is a 100% natural herbal bathing soap for the genital outbreaks, your blisters around your genital area, for those infected with HSV2, which is the genital herpes. I don't know how often you get your outbreaks, how often your blisters get itchy, scratchy, and so uncomfortable. Here in my hand is the cure you need. But distance happens to be the barrier. And what again happens to be the barrier is your hesitation. You being hesitant to write me, to send me an email, to send me a DM is another limitation that has prevented you from your 100% cure. Dr. Osenobula. Dr. Osenobula. Contact me today. Contact me today. If this happens to be your first time watching my video, I assure you that you will be cured. Should you have doubts about my authenticity, go on and watch the rest of my videos I have been posting for several years. And it didn't start from there. I have been curing herpes, HIV, sexually transmitted disease, cancer, fibroids, and also helping lovers get back together after separation, misunderstanding, and long time of being separated and away from each other. Dr. Osenobula. Dr. Osenobula. This little but mighty soap in my hand has all the cure, has all the answers to your problem. Herpes can be cured. Herpes can be cured. Contact me today. Contact me via email, as you can see in my bio. My email address is as follows: drosenobula@gmail.com. drosenobula@gmail.com. This is the all wonder working soap. Contact me today and you will be cured. Contact me today and healing is yours. You are one step away. You are one step away from your healing. Contact me and be cured. Thank you all and God bless you. Dr. Osenobula.